This video is about removing the scary messages and fake security alerts related to the site Driwer.live. Driwer.live. Some people may see these pretty strange and quite scary messages by Driwer.live. These pop-ups are absolutely fake. You should not trust them. Don't tolerate them. These Driwer.live pop-ups are deceptive. They actually try to scare users into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Such pop-ups by Driwer.live could be the result of some adware on the system. So the only correct conclusion in this case, if you see these pop-ups by Driwer.live, is to leave this page. Also, to make sure that your system is free of other threats, consider researching it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.